Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide
for Chevy GMC's 2002 to 2009 Trailblazer and Envoy.
Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Lift up your vehicle's body. Remove or protect any fuel lines, brake lines, and wiring harnesses. With a 10mm socket, remove the bolt retaining your evap canister. Hold your frame section up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Draw a line approximately ½ inch above the bottom of the frame and cut along it. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Our part features a perforated plate on the front of your frame section to fit over your existing rear body mount. If you decide to keep your mount, remove the plate at this time. If not, cut off your mount. Our part also features a plate that you can cut and bend to fit around your crossmember. To do this, cut the side of your perforation closest to the rear of your frame section, as well as the bottom of the perforation. Leave the side closest to the front intact so you're able to bend it. Then, with a crescent wrench or pair of pliers, bend the perforation back towards the front of your frame section. Step 4. Take your replacement rear frame section and slide it onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Tap it into place using a mallet. You can use C-clamps to secure your part, ensuring a tight fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your rear frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. If you removed your rear body mount, we show you how to reinstall it with the installation videos on our YouTube channel. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your evap canister and its bolt with a 10mm socket, followed by reinstalling your vehicle's body. Then you're done.